Hi friends, welcome to our channel 7. In this video, we are going to see how to use surface disinfectant spray with GM Labs air and surface disinfectant spray Revive. I am going to explain everything in the review. See, I bought the product from Flipkart for 275. It's a pack of two, both contain 250 ml. I am using it for the last 20 days and it is very useful for my day-to-day life. And see the product is a steel bottle. You can able to keep it in your handbag or your home, office, car and outdoor everywhere you can able to use. So it is very handy. It's a 250 ml bottle, easy to use and comes in a attractive bottle. But here they mention about three things mainly. First one, kills 99.9% of bacteria, fungi and virus with some conditions, and it disinfects air, hard and soft surface with leaving some pleasant fragrance and safe on skin. These are the main things they mention about the product. See, this actual product from GM Labs surface and air disinfectant spray. You can use it on both surface and air. Don't need to worry. Kills ill causing 99.9% of bacteria, fungi and virus around your home or anywhere, both air and surface. And see, disinfectant spray for both hard and soft surface with some mild fragrance. I really wonder because the fragrance was really mild and don't going to last long. So very safe product on our skin also, and all comes in a very safe steel bottle. And see, on the back side is a full list, main thing we need to read before start usage. And see the active ingredients like 100 gram contains Nimbuca and citrus media, lots of things in the product. And the main thing was the ethanol. See the bottom, ethanol 95.00 volume per volume. So particular percentage of ethanol is available, ethyl alcohol, so very useful for the situation, current situation. And see the other ingredients, propellant, butane, propane. So we need to keep away from the children and don't spray on the fire. It's very important. And see the usage direction, shake well before use and read the instruction below. Hard surface, we need to spray on a cleaned surface and spray from a distance 6 inches or 15 centimeter away from the surface until the surface was wet. See the thing, surface, we need to spray the bottle from 15 centimeter until the surface was wet. And use the product, and don't use the product on a food contact surfaces like metal, seats and granite surfaces, toilet seats. So do not use an electrical device. See, we need to wet the surface. Actually, the sanitizer was gel type hand sanitizer, and it was a liquid type. There's a difference. And see, mainly using it on the mobile phone by here mentioning not using the electrical device. So we see in the later in the review about this. And the fabric. When it comes to fabric, we need to spray until it wet. Do not saturate. Fabric must remain wet and leave it for some time, and it automatically get dry. So don't spray on silk, rayon, and satin because this fabric, we're going to apply on this fabric, just test on a hidden area and then start applying on the particular space. Before test the part with the hidden area when you going to use on the fabric. And see, air sanitizing hold can operate and point towards wall opening away from face, spread upwards for 3 seconds and comes as well space of room filling at the wrist. So I'm not using it as a air spray. I don't like it. I'm using it for only for surface. See, cautions, highly flammable, so keep away from people and not spray on a naked body, not spray on a naked flame or hot surfaces. So in cool dry place, it's the main thing they mentioning about the product. So keep away from children. And it's, I think, Australia, Singapore, lots of things manufactured by Australia, brand owned by Singapore, and Bangalore, India, distributed by, the cost was 170, but I bought both two products for 275, 170 gram, 250 ml, 500 ml, 275 I bought. It's a good pay. And see, it's a good product, very handy product, but many of them complain about the cap. But before, shake well before start usage. Shake it well and we open the cap. See, the cap quality was fine. Many of them complain about the cap quality, the spray, but it was not refillable. We need to know, but the quality was really fine. See, spray was really good, and see the cap quality was fine. I don't know why they're complaining, but it was very safe to keep in your handbag. And see, I'm going to spray on the smartphone for 3 seconds from a distance of 15 centimeter. See, there's actually liquid type, so I need to wipe the product. I'm going to wipe the product with a cloth because it contains speaker on the front. So using on the smartphone was our risk. In the bottle they mentioning not use on a electric device. but we need to use on the mobile phone is must. So I'm using. If you got any problem, don't use on the mobile phones. Using on the mobile phone at your own risk. And see backside from the all sides we need to use the sanitizer spray. Hand sanitizer was gel tape and this was liquid tape. There's the only difference, but both are going to wet your surface. The gel tape is not easily able to wipe, so liquid tape so easily you can able to wipe. There's a difference. Surface spray and hand sanitizer spray difference. The powder was like watery, so don't use on the electric surface. I'm using it on my door keys, bathroom door knobs, and flush and tabs. All things I'm using, but don't apply on the switchboard because using in this way was little better. Use with your hand, elbow. Don't use sanitizer on the switchboards. It may give electric shock. When applying on fabric, it was wet, so I'm not using on the fabric, but using on the sofa handles and some of the main places. It is very useful. See, it is in the ultra slow motion. It is wetting the particular surface. See, so we need to wipe the surface. For doorknob and tabs, no problem. Keys are no problem. But on the smartphone, they try to wipe the product with the. If you have tissue paper, try to use the tissue paper after spray the product. Very useful. See, but Killing Gems was fantastic and really very handy product for the price. It was really worth at the current situation. It is a very worth product. See, it was cleaning the smartphone completely. It was gems free and see the product very handy product. Not refilling was the only problem from my point of view. And last 20 days, still I'm using 3 liter contains some liquid in the bottle remaining. So it's a very handy product at the situation. I think the review was very useful. If you have any doubt, please put in the comment section. I will reply in 6 hours. Para link is on the description. I have more videos linked in the description and the first comment for more details. Don't use sanitizer spray on the flames or hot surfaces on food. It's very important. Keep away from children. It's very important. Thank you, Saman. If you like the video, please click like button. If you want more video, please click subscribe button. Thank you, Saman.